Hello everyone. In this session, I would like to discuss about regular expressions in Python. Generally, why we go for these regular expressions means, for example, I have a pattern is there. Okay, that may be an email pattern, that may be a phone number pattern, some other. If I given one string to you, that string is matching with the pattern or not. If you want to check, then you can go with the regular expressions. Okay, if you want to check the pattern, the input string is matching with that particular expected pattern or not. If you want to check, then you can go with the regular expressions. In the real world, where exactly we are going to use this regular expressions means most of the times we are using for validations. Okay, best example is, for example, I have a email field is there. You enter something like ABC, that's not an exact email pattern. Okay, that particular text box value should match with the email pattern or not. For that purpose, you have to check that input value is matched with the pattern, email pattern or not. How it's possible means by using the regular expressions, it's possible. So if you want to check this value matches with the pattern, okay, how we can check means, okay, if you want to check, first of all, pattern is required. The next one is like input value is required. Input value is required. The next one is like, okay, this input is matching with the pattern or not. You have to check that one or not. Three things we need to take care. First of all, which pattern this input is matching with the pattern or not. To check you have to write some piece of code or not. You have to keep these three things in your mind. Before that there has few things, few predefined things are there to define the pattern. The first one is like a character classes. The character classes. Okay, the first character class I can say like, okay, ABC. Okay, if you see this pattern, okay, these all are like a predefined patterns, you can say. Okay, this pattern represents what, in my input string, either A or B or C, either A or B or C is there. Yes, it matches that pattern. Like that, you can understand. Okay, this is my pattern in my input string, either A or B or C, any one of this character is there, then you can say like, yes, my input string matches with the pattern. Like that, you can say. The next one is like example if you want. Example if you want. Pattern is ABC. My input is like such. Inside this Sachin, either A or B or C is there or not there? Yes, A is there. So that, yes, it matches my pattern, you can say. It matches my pattern. Now the next one is like, this is the one, tap ABC. Tap ABC. What it means, in the past, either A or B or C, right? Except A or B or C, except A or B or C in your input string, okay, that matches your pattern. You can say that is matches your pattern, except A, B, and C. Except A, B, and C. Except A and B and C. Okay, except A and B and C, anything is there, then you can say like, yes, my input is match with this pattern. Like that, you can say. The next one is like A to Z. A to Z means any lowercase letter, any lowercase alphabet symbol, you can say. Any lowercase alphabet symbol. For example, if you write like Sachin, yes, it's right. Okay, any lowercase alphabet symbol means yes, Sachin is like a lowercase alphabet symbol in between A to Z or not. For example, if I write like this, okay, it's not a lowercase alphabet symbol, it's not matching this pattern or not. That is the one. The next one, A to Z. The difference is like any uppercase alphabet symbols. This is the one. The next one is like combination, any lower or any uppercase alphabet symbols. The next one is like any digit in my input, any digit is there in between 0 to 9. I can say like it matches my pattern, any digit from 0 to 9. Okay, the next one is like you can use like A to Z 0 to 9 also means all alphabets and digits also. Digits also. The next one is like okay, cap you can put it. No alphabets, no digits is nothing but only symbols or not. Only symbols or not. These all are like a character classes are there. Okay, some predefined character classes also there. Predefined. What are those? You know, one is like yes, you can say like what space character, space, capital X, capital S. Okay, yes is a space, right? Okay, capital S means any character except space. Any character except space. Space. Okay, if my pattern is yes, okay, Sachin Tendulkar. Okay, now see this space is there or not. So it matches my pattern. If I put like this, any character except space, but space is there, it's not matching your character. If you want, you can remove the space. Then only you can say like it matches your pattern. The next one, D means digit. Any digit 0 to 9. 0 to 9. Okay, D means except digit. Any character except digit. Any character except digit. The next one is like W. W. We can say like any word. Word is nothing but what? Word is nothing but A to Z, capital or small or not. Okay, that is matching with this. You can say like okay, any alphabet, either lower and uppercase. Big one, big W means except alphabets is nothing but what? Maybe digits, maybe symbols or not. Maybe digits, maybe symbols. These all are like predefined character classes. Predefined character classes to use for what? To prepare the pattern. To prepare the pattern. The next one is like a quantifiers means repetition. Quantifiers means, for example, if you see only A as a pattern, if you see inside the pattern only A, that means exact A. That is exact A. If you put like A plus, if A plus is there, minimum one, maximum any number of years means minimum one, at least 1 year, 1 year, minimum one, maximum any number. A star is there, A star is there. Okay, minimum 0, maximum any, minimum 0, max any, maximum any. A question mark is there. Okay, minimum one or none. Either A is there or not there, matching. If A is there, it's match your pattern. A is not there also, it's not match your pattern. The next one is like A, M. M is nothing but exactly M number of items. It's like a number, exactly M number of A's. M number of A's. Okay, the next one is like A, minimum and maximum. M number, minimum M number, maximum N number of A's. Okay, these all are like a quantifiers. These all are like a quantifiers. Now you can come here. You can come here. First, what inputs are required? First, pattern is required. Pattern is required. The next one is like The next one is like you have to get the input. You have to get the input, and then you have to find that particular input match with the pattern or not. Match with the pattern or not. First of all, how to find the pattern? How to find the first of all, how to create the pattern? Okay, just create one example, then you can easily understand. Regular expressions dot. Now you can write some program. First of all, you have to create the pattern. Okay, for that we have the module called as a RE is the module. Can we import it first? Import RE, import RE, and then you can prepare the pattern. You can prepare the pattern. So how we can prepare the pattern? My pattern equals to RE dot compile. Compile is one method is there. Compile is one method is there. Okay, there you can write any pattern. AB, if you write means exactly AB, exact AB. Okay, see this here. A is there, exact A. Okay, AB is there, exact AB is there or not. You have to check. That is the pattern. The next one is like input value. This is my input. This is my input. You can say like A, B, A, B, A, B, A, like this you can. Okay, here also AB matched. Here also AB matched. Here also AB matched. Like this, multiple ABs matched or not. So I want to check is it really matched or not. For that purpose, we have find data right. Find data and one method is there. So that I want to check this input is matching with the pattern. How we can check means my pattern dot find data of your input. This pattern, this input match with the pattern or not, I want to find it. I want to find. Now, if the matching is there, that means if find this particular input, okay, match with the pattern. If you find, okay, that matches, he is going to return. That matches, he is going to return. That matches, he is going to return. Once you get the matcher, okay, where exactly he find that pattern, if you want to check, okay, not only one place, there is multiple places is going to find, right? So that you can loop it. You can loop it for my match from where inside a matcher or not. Inside the matches. Here you can see. Here you can see. Okay, print my match dot start is one method is there. Start one method is there. Okay, just you can check it. Py regular expression. Py regular expression. Okay, it gives me some error. Can we fix it? Find iter, the spelling mistake. Find iter, the spelling mistake. Now see this. It matches 0th position. See this AB. Here we have 0, 1, 2. Third position also AB is there. So that this is the third one. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In the fifth position also AB is there. Okay, that matches you can get it or not. So this particular input match with this pattern or not. If you want to check how we can check it, this input match with this pattern or not. If you want to check how we can check it, find data is the method. It returns me all matches. That one you can repeat it. Okay, if you want to find where exactly it matches, that starting index you can get it. That starting index you can get it. Thanks guys. Thanks for watching.